Again, another great question. Casino. How I feel about a casino has no bearing. My personal opinion, okay, I get one vote on it, and it's my vote on the ballot. However, the important question here is, how do the citizens of Port Moody feel about the casino? Are we asking the question, casino yes, casino no? Do I have enough information to make a decision? What kind of casino is it? Is it going to be hotel included? Is it going to be, what's the traffic going to look like? What's the parking going to look like? All that. There's a lot of questions involved. I would suggest that we should look at, if somebody wanted to propose a casino, propose it to the citizens of Port Moody in an entire, complete package. We're going to have 200 rooms of hotel, we're going to have this much space, we're going to have this much jobs created in the hospitality industry, there's going to be restaurants, there's going to be bars, there's going to be entertainment perhaps. Come up with an idea, well, what is the casino really going to be? Is it going to be just a small little casino, or is it going to be a casino that's going to cater to everybody's interests? We do have a lot of people from Port Moody, several that I know, travel weekly to the casino in Coquitlam. What is the revenue stream going to look like for Port Moody to have some funds coming into Port Moody? We can't host any tournaments at this point in time in Port Moody. There's no hotels nearby. So if we had a hotel coupled with a casino, it'd be a drawing card, much like Kamloops. It's the center of tournaments in the central BC. For the coast, it could be Port Moody. We get a lot of hotels, hotel rooms. We bring a lot of people come in. We have so many hockey rinks in the area. We've built a brand new hockey rink. Let's use it. Let's bring those people in. There's a lot of questions. So again, the question about a casino, yes or no, I think that question isn't an accurate question. We can say casino, full-blown casino, medium casino, no casino. Come up with those kind of scenarios. Much like the inlet soccer field. A, B, or C decisions. Before we decide a casino, we've got to get the people in place that understand how to bring the business into the city. So far, the city's had the doors closed. We've got to open the doors and welcome businesses into Port Moody, including any proposals from anybody that can create jobs, can create revenues, create reserves, create taxes for Port Moody to operate, so that the citizens don't shoulder the costs continuously of all our services. The big question there is, can we all get out on the 19th of November, get our votes in, get the people in position that can make things happen?